the next thing we're going to look at making are some rabbit masks like these. So these are ones that I've done already. We're leaving the decoration up to you and your imaginations how you might make them. You could use all kinds of things. You could use pencils, you could use pen like on this one, and then it's nice to put in make it look a bit like fur. You could add teeth if you wanted. On this one you could do collage like on here. I've used some flowers cut out of a seed magazine. But really it's completely up to you. If you do use paint, just be a little bit careful not to get it too wet. So this is what we're aiming for. They're quite 3D. So the first things you'll find in your kit is a sheet like this that has the mask and the ears printed onto it. And the first thing to do is cut it out. If you want to make more than one mask, once you've cut out this template, you could get a piece of card or cardboard cereal packet and create more by drawing around it. If you haven't got the template for this mask, you could always try making one up yourself. Just try copying this one. These little indents are what make it more 3D later on, like that. To cut out the holes where the eyes go, if you fold the card in half a little bit and make a little snip like that, then you're in. And then you can quite carefully cut out the eye holes. There we go, and the same on the other side. Some smaller scissors might be easier for the eye holes, if you've got them. You can always tidy them up later. So once you've got your mask bits cut out, the next step is to decorate, and that really is up to you. So for this one, I'm going to show you, I'm just going to try using some paint. So as I said, not too watery, otherwise the card will go all soggy. So I'm just going to use some acrylics. We'll see how we get on. once your mask's decorated, however you've chosen to do that, we're going to put a little fold in the ears, so not like too much folding, but just a bit folding like that to shape them. And that on the other one as well. And then you're going to take a bit of masking tape and you're going to fold that bit across like that at the bottom, and on the back you're going to put your masking tape so it doesn't show at the front. Maybe just a little bit more. And just snip that little bit off there so it doesn't show. There we go. And this one too. So we're folding those bits across each other like that and turning it over. And putting the masking tape on the back like that. Our bunny ears, and then we're going to do the same with the mask part too. So we're going to turn it over and you're going to put these bits together like that. So maybe it might be easy to put the masking tape on a little bit first, hold it into shape, and then put the masking tape to hold it in place. This is going to make the mask a 3D shape. So we're going to fold that in like that. And this one too. There we go. Now we just need to attach the ears to the mask. So where you put your ears is really a little bit up to you. I think I'm going to put mine just by that cut there. So again, we're going to attach them at the back like that. Bit of masking tape, and we need to make sure there's masking tape on both edges so that the ears don't flap. There's one. So have a little look where you think it should go. And I'm going to put my one just near that flap there. We're going to push it in a little bit so it's sort of on top of the mask bit like that. Let's have a look. Oh, looking quite cute. So, shall I give this one teeth or not? Let's have a little look. Ah, she might be quite cute with a pair of teeth. So if you want to join your teeth on, again, you're just going to use a bit of your masking tape, put it underneath and decide how long teeth. I think she's going to have small teeth, this one. And just join it on like that. So then the last thing you need to do is to put some holes where the string is going to go. So a good way to do this might be to first of all put the mask onto the face and work out exactly where the holes should go. But roughly, I would say they go next to the eyes. So if you've got a smaller pair of scissors to do that, it could be easier. You just make a small hole on each side like that. There should be a bit of white yarn or brown yarn if you've got the packs, or you could just find some string or some ribbon and just tie a bit on each side. If you had elastic, you could also use that if you wanted to. Just trim off the edges. There we go. Now our mask is ready to put on. So for final touch, we just need to add whiskers. So something like these, and you could either add them with some PVA glue, or you could use some of the glue dots. So I think I'm just going to use the glue dots. So glue dots are easier once they're attached to something, so I think whiskers should go about there. There we go. And have one going up, one going down. Same on the other side. There we go. What a sweet little rabbit.